In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile refund from Supplier in Xero. By the end, you'll have a clean, audit-ready workflow for recording a supplier refund and matching it to your bank feed. Start by opening Xero and heading to your dashboard. From there, go to Purchases. This is where all your bills and supplier documents live, and it's the right place to start because a supplier refund is recorded as a credit note against that supplier. Next, open Bills and choose the option to create a new credit note. Think of a credit note as the supplier's negative bill. It reduces what you owe them and represents money coming back to you or a return. Enter the key details exactly as they appear on the supplier's credit: the supplier name, the date on the credit, the description of what's being refunded, the quantities and amounts, and the correct tax treatment. Accuracy here makes the reconciliation painless later. When you're done, approve the credit note. Approval posts it to your accounts so it can be applied to future bills or, in our case, recorded as a cash refund. Now go back to Bills and open the credit note you just created. On that screen, look for the option to Add Refund. This is where you tell Xero that the supplier actually paid you back. Enter the name or reference as needed, choose the bank account where the money landed, and set the refund date to match the date on your bank statement. If you see a reference field, use it to add a short note like the supplier credit number for clarity. Then click Add Refund to post the cash movement. With the refund recorded, move to Reconcile. Find the incoming bank line that represents the supplier refund. It should show as a received amount in the correct bank account and on the correct date. Click Find and Match. Xero will search for open items that could match this transaction. Select the credit payment you just recorded from the list. Double-check that the amount, date, and supplier match the bank line exactly. When everything lines up, click Reconcile. That's the confirmation that your bank transaction and your accounting entry are now linked. Quick tips as you wrap up. Always match the refund date to the bank feed date, attach the supplier credit document to the credit note for backup, and verify the tax rate reflects the original purchase treatment. If you don't see the match, confirm you recorded the refund to the correct bank account and that the amounts are identical. And that's it, your supplier refund is fully reconciled in Xero.